back to my channel. My name is Smita. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing good too. Well, I'm back with another vlog, but this time not with any cooking vlog or travel vlog. This time we are bidding goodbye to our Hyundai Grand i10 Nios. We drove the car for approximately 3.5 years and finally decided to go for a change. Our experience with this car was pretty good. We even took a road trip till Hyderabad with this car. It was a wonderful experience, but somehow some things are there which were lacking behind in this car. Hence, we decided to switch to another car. How was your experience driving this car?
It's good, but only the things that it dissatisfied me about the mileage. It was not up to the expectation which I was expecting to get.
Okay, what is the average mileage that you got Grand i10 Nios?
The average mileage in city around 10 or 11, and on road around 15 or 16.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically this is the reason that we are planning to go for a change. Mileage is one of the very important thing which should be considered while purchasing the car. We were expecting that the mileage would be increasing with time, but we drove the car for approximately 3.5 years, but we weren't getting the expected result. So finally the day has come, and so we are heading now towards the dealer where we will be exchanging the car and taking some other car in exchange. So be with us. We will be showing you what is the next car that we are going for. You come? Where have you come?
In car shop.
In car shop. What will you buy from here?
Car.
Car. Which car?
But I don't know name.
You don't know the name. Okay. Hi all, welcome back to my channel. We are at Jyoti Motors, which is in Sector 5, Salt Lake, Kolkata, and we are here to buy our new car. So we will be exchanging our old car, which is Nios Grand i10 Hyundai, with the new car. So very soon I will be telling you all which car we have purchased, along with the specifications. So keep watching.
অরিজিনাল ভোটার আধার প্যান এই তিনটে সাথে করে নিয়ে তখন কারণ ওখানকার যে ইন্সপেক্টর থাকবে সে অরিজিনালটা ভেরিফাই করবে, আপনার সিগনেচার একটা ভেরিফাই।
So this is our Grand i10 Nios for the last time, and we are at Jyoti Motors, which is in Sector 5 in Godrej Genesis building. We have had a very wonderful experience here. The customer relationship manager, his name is Mr. Imon. He lived over our expectation and fulfilled all the required requests, or all the requests that we had asked for. Everybody is very good out here. Everything is well organized. No scope of complaint. We are very happy with the service that they have provided us.
Promise.
Along with the car delivery, we are also fortunate to be a part of the relationship manager's birthday party.
দিয়ে একটু একটু জল হ্যাঁ ইঞ্জিনে একটু দিয়ে দিন চারটে চাকা দিন ইঞ্জিনে একটু দিন। ব্যাস গুড আর দাঁড়া 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 সেরকম হ্যাঁ নিচে করো
হ্যাঁ
এবার ভালো করে করো এবার ভালো করে করো ব্যাস ধার নাও হ্যাঁ
যেভাবে বলছে ওইভাবে দেবে
ব্যাস
সুন্দর হয়েছে হ্যাঁ
So we have purchased Baleno Zeta. I will very soon come back with another video with the specifications and the features of this car. So far the performance has been excellent. We have no issues or no complaints. So very soon I'll come back with a specification video, and also I'll come back with the first servicing video. So till then, people who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to know more about Baleno Zeta. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.